Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on Motorola One 5G Ace. To do this we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and there's only one speaker right here. Another one is a phone call speaker which is located on top of the screen right here. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speaker with our fingers. If the sound is coming from this one and this one, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try it out. So clearly sound was coming only from one speaker, and that's a mono speaker on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.